Hi, I'm Yaron from Sonic Worlds. In this tutorial, we're going to have a look at how to get the most out of your Bleep sound library. This is just as applicable to any vocal library, so let's have a look. We have 6 different files here, kind of random. Let's have a listen. Now, the first thing you'll notice is that all of these sounds are in mono. This was intentional so that you weren't locked into a preset that I chose and you could make your own. Let's see how we can go about doing this. The first plugin I want to look at is the P&M company Dimension 3D. What it does is it detunes it and also gives it the sense of stereo imagery. Let's have a listen. Let's pick one of them and play around with it a bit. So that should give you an idea. Let's check a different plugin out now. The P&M Pitch Me plugin. Bit of a similar concept. What it does is it takes the left and right channels and it gives them equal but opposite pitch shifting. Again, let's try one of them. So you get the idea. And for the last one, from Sound Toys, the little micro shift. Let's crank it up. Now, I don't generally like to overdo it, so this wet-dry setting comes in pretty useful. So let's see how I would do it. That's how I would do it. Of course, it depends on your production. In this case, it's just giving it a touch. Now let's play around with the different settings. So you can hear that 2 is actually kind of the strongest effect here. And again, just play around with the setting that you like best. Yep. Okay, now let's move on to changing the character itself of the sound. For this, I'd actually like to have a look at the Waves Ultra Pitch plugin. Now you have a few different presets here. One of the more extreme ones is the Bizarre Resonator. Let's hear what that does. And we can have a look at the different few. A nice subtle one is the Small Group. If you wanted even more subtle, tripler. Playing around with the delays a bit. So what this does is it gives it a few extra voices, each one with slightly different pitches. Gives the kind of chorus effect, although again it's fully adjustable and it can give you the character you need. The next pitch plugin I want to look at is from Sound Toys again. Let's disable this. The Little Altar Boy, outstanding little plugin. Let's have a listen. Again, we're going to go completely with what the plugin has to offer. Now, clearly, this is too extreme. The idea is that you mix in with the normal signal just enough that it makes the difference you need. So that's what I would use. But again, you can play around with it. Okay, let's go back to the one I like. 3. And let's hear it in conjunction with one of the stereo plugins. Okay. Now, the next thing I thought of was we've got an adorable sound library here. How could we make it into something more evil? Now, that's quite a challenge since the whole idea is it's supposed to be cute. But I think I found an answer in the P&M granulizer. Let's have a listen. As you can hear, you can do a lot more than just make it evil. So there you go. I hope that you enjoyed checking out this tutorial and that it helps you with your future productions. This is Yaron from Sonic Worlds, out.